Once we have our material map and we have assigned all the parts with different materials and created the different material ways, we can go over this part where, as you've seen, we can check the percentages and the area regarding the different material ways. So I can pick and refresh and I will see the different percentages. For comparison purposes, we can select the numbers here that we have set in our grading table so that we can see the differences in area and percentage regarding every single number of my model. So, for example, if I pick 48, you'll see that the preview will modify a little bit because of the size of the picture, and then when I refresh, the percentage and the area will change according to the number we've picked. So let's go back to 42. The picture here will change because I have set a specific width for the picture that I'm going to export later on. So when we pick a different number here, the preview will change because the picture will have the same width. So I can pick different numbers, and you'll see the update on the material visibility panel. So let's go back to 42 again. Other comparison measures are this. With that button there, you'll see another pop-up where you can compare the different sizes one by one, like this. So I'll see that the percentage will change from 36 to 48. It will change in this way here. So this is very important when we want to export and know all the details for the customs that we're going to do. So I can compare, and it will show me here that it's loading, and I'll have different values here according to what number I picked. Once we have done all our assignments, etc., we can export two different file types. So an PNG image that will go with the E letter as a shortcut, and our RTF, which is a color report that is in a Word or any other Office Suite document. So when we export, we'll see layering output. I have already created one, and it's a PNG image. And with RTF, we'll see material visibility report. So when we save, we'll have something like this. The two different material ways in the RTF document will be presented in two different pages with the percentage and the area in square millimeters. I'll have the name of my material way, the title, the picture in PNG always, and then we'll have picture. This is the layering output.png file that I saved. This will be saved according to the material way that we have on in that specific moment when we save. So that's how you export the pictures. And these are the basic functions of the layering tool in Jevero. Thank you.